All right, so guys, welcome to this lesson where we talk about what is the three-step ecom business model that we've been talking about all this while. So basically, is we leveraging multiple e-commerce platforms to sell our wristwatches while working from the comfort of our home and without showing our faces. So the thing is that most people, when they sell online, they focus on either one or two. But what we do is that we spread our wings and we sell on these e-commerce platforms without even showing our faces and without leaving the comfort of our home. So what are these platforms that we use to sell our wristwatches? These are popular platforms that you know already. Jumia and Konga Marketplace, we have stores there. GG and Facebook Marketplace, we sell our products on these platforms also. And we sell on e-com websites, on our e-com website and also on our sales funnel. So in this course, later on in this course, I'm going to show you how to create your Jumia business, your Konga store, Konga business, your GG, your Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to show you how to create them and how to list your product and how to deliver your orders. I'm also going to show you about the e-com website and how to create one. Also going to show you how to get access to our templates for the e-com funnels in case you are not that tech savvy and you can't design it yourself. You can have us design for you or you can get our templates. I'm going to explain later on this course on how to get that done. So let me just show you this Facebook and this platform that we use. Of course, I'm sure everybody watching this video knows about Jumia. Jumia is one of the biggest e-commerce platform in Africa and Nigeria. So we leverage this platform. They have over 8 million people visiting their website every single month. So why can't we sell here? I know many guys selling online do not think about selling on Jumia. The fees on Jumia is much, but there's a way I will show you on how to price your product where you can still see 30 to 40, even 50 to 60% profit margin. Also, I'm going to teach you how you can sell on Jumia from anywhere you are in the world. I mean, if you're watching this video from outside Lagos, outside Nigeria, I'm going to show you a secret that I've never shared before that you cannot even find anywhere. I'm going to show you how to do this later on when we get to that particular section. So Konga also we sell. Konga has about 3 or 4 million monthly visits. We sell also on GG Marketplace. Although when you start on this platform, the first time we started, the sales were not really coming in, but later we started getting the sales when we paid for their boost ads and stuff like that. And you can see a lot of people doing this. This particular wristwatch is being sold for 6,500. Right, you can see it here on dealer for 6,500 and somebody is selling it here for 12,500. So you can come over to GG, list your product for like 12k or 11,500 to beat this particular seller, and you can see the person is ranking almost at the top of the search listing. So most of these watches we have it on dealer. You can come over to GG, create your platform and sell. So people doing it. This is a store, OZ or something fashion. And you don't have to sell only wristwatches. You can see this person listing different products to sell. Same thing with this other person. Same thing with almost everybody. We don't sell only wristwatches, but just that we sell like 80 to 90% wristwatches. Also Facebook. So on Facebook, we just come to Facebook Marketplace. I know you know how to get here, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can see people doing this thing that I'm talking about. I'm seeing some of our products here, but of course, I'm not going to mention it. But you can see people are selling wristwatches here, and Facebook has 37 million Nigerians in July. If you scroll down here, if I go to June to May, you see that this number has been pretty consistent. 57% men and 42.7% female or women. All right, so you can leverage this number because a lot of people buy on Facebook, and Facebook is trying to push this platform, their marketplace, to be one of the best. You know Meta now. They try to go into everything and I don't care if they create threads or whatever. I'm going to create a store on Thread also and start selling wristwatches. I will just leverage the platform and start selling my products. All right. So I'm just showing you different platforms that we use to sell. The last one this is my favorite actually, but trust me, don't focus only on your website, because if you're not good with Facebook ads and Instagram adverts, you might not make any sales. So on our website, we also sell wristwatches. We design a simple sales funnel like this. Pretty straightforward. Like if you look at it on your mobile device, it's very easy and straight to the point, and customer place an order either through just added this SMS recently, and some people are using it to place an order. So you can use either a form or you add your phone number and use SMS. Now this template, I'm going to be giving it out for sale, so you can just import it on your website. I'm going to show you how to design a website, to buy a domain name, how to install the hosting, and how to build a simple sales page like this. But if you don't know how to do something like this, I'm also going to give you access on how to acquire this template and just sell. So these are the platforms that we use to sell our wristwatches. All right. So with this platform, we are able to generate hundreds of sales combined and we sell. So I'm going to show you how you can do this in this particular course. The next lesson, I'll show you how we can get started with Jumia and Konga. So show you how you can create your Jumia store and list your products. Then we'll move to Konga, how to create your store and list your product, GG, Facebook, eCom website. Then we are done with this class, and how to run adverts in your profile. Basically, how to start getting sales. Like I said, let me emphasize, if you're not in Lagos and you want to sell on Jumia and Konga, I'm going to show you how you can do that in the next lesson. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.